yeah, my storage is full, so I couldn't do that one. But we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna wait for someone to pick those up. Throw these out. Throw them on. Throw them downstairs. I break. I yeeted them off. No one even notices. Throw my phone in there. We're gonna go down there and just watch the people. Let me get on the computers and subscribe to our account. Come on. Hi. You just make random noises. Oh. Why are we gonna ground? So we can just sit in the elevator. When they're walking. Just gonna wait in the elevator.
Move on to ground floor.
It's gonna take us a third and second, and we're gonna click ground again. Elevator challenge.
Okay, these two photos are the ones where we're now in 6 feet of it. I look on our shade said Muscatine police on them. Look at our shade.
We're not getting out. Or going to the floor.
I couldn't stay in the elevator. I was laughing too much.
I farted in the corner.
Trying not to laugh.
We should go to Family Dollar and do Family Madness. There's a whole bunch of people there.
I'm falling on people on there. It was too funny.
If she was standing by someone to make a noise. Be like,
Let's get an elevator.
someone gets on the elevator. This title of the video should be Library Fun.
No, it should be elevator.
But we weren't on the elevator. We made the same. Now we made the same noise. When we're on the second floor, we should go because that's the guy that yelled at me.
I thought we were on the first thing. They were getting off, so I got out. So awkward. Ha!
Give it to me. Wait,
So awkward.
he yelled at me to knock it off.
Knock it off. So awkward. We don't know each other.
We should have just stayed in here.
Oh my god.
Should have just stayed in here.
That scared me so bad.
Just sit in the elevator.
Oh man. Dude, I thought the elevator got stuck. It's still open. Let's go to the room. Let's go to the second room first. Can't sit up. That's so stupid.
Take it. I gotta upload these videos. Just upload the videos. We gotta go to second.
Yeah.
Because that's where the password for the Wi-Fi is. Yo guys, this is fun, but we're gonna end it here. We're gonna upload the videos and have some fun after that. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.